What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to use Gemini Pro effectively. So as you guys can see that I have the Pro version of the Gemini. It's the latest one and I'm using the Pro version at the moment. Now what I'm doing with this Gemini Pro, I have done a lot of things. Let me just show it to you guys. I have made notebook LMs, I have made gems, I have made libraries, I have even made the videos using it. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. You don't have to be a very professional in order to do all these stuff. I have made separate videos for how to create notebook LMs and all that stuff and how to make gems. There are separate categories. Like if you are, you're gonna use it for a specific purpose with specific instruction. You don't want it to go with the general, intelligence. You want it to be specific about one specific niche and the instruction that you have given to it. You want the exact same response. You can go with the gem. So how does gem works? So over here you will see gem manager. In here you guys can create a new gem. In here you can add that gem icon, gem name, gem description, instructions, specifically what you want it to be, and the default tools like what it's gonna use, like create image, create video, Canva, deep research, create music, guided, all that stuff. So, and for the knowledge, you can add as much files as you want. I think you can upload 200 files at the moment for it. So this is how you guys can use effectively for a singular, function. And if you want general inquiries, you can simply go to a new chat and start with it. I would recommend using 3.5 Flash because it's the best model out there yet for the general queries. But if you wanted to use for the maths and codes, go with the 3.1 Pro. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.